It's the only way to stay healthy, to stay happy, and to go to a greater place. You let them go, you move on with your life, and you go find people who care. Go do your own thing. You'll see your circle of friends will change, will shift. Everything will shift. You're gonna see new places, be new places with new people, new experiences, new everything. When you follow your own path is when people come to you. Better people that care about you and your dreams and your goals, that help you. So look forward to that and let the toxic people go. People will always at some point show you how they feel about you. There's no going around that. People will always show you how they feel about you at some point. Usually when things get difficult. That's when they're gonna show you who they are and who they think you are.